Hi guys, I'm Mortice2 from www.uklocksport.co.uk, and it's a video of single pin picking, or should I say single lever picking, this 3-lever Mortice lock using this RB 2-in-1 pick. I had to pick this for an elderly neighbour. She had it on an internal door and she misplaced the key. She only used it on an evening. She'd lock it, pop the key somewhere, and she forgot where she put it. So I was asked if I could nip round, pick it open for her, and I use this. So it's a little bit of a tutorial as well, because they are fun to pick. I've got this West Yorkshire ambulance magnet on the front because it does have a little window where you can see the levers. By the way guys, that's a really good cause. So obviously what you do, I'm trying to work around this camera again, so excuse any sort of wobbling about. Obviously it needs to be picked, so you're tensioning the bolt to the sort of right hand side, so popping that in and sort of putting the tension on the bolt clockwise, and then using this to pick the 3 levers in it. You can get it in. So that's tensioning sort of the bolts. Now when I first started picking these, I would then use this sort of lever there to pick the levers in the same direction that I was tensioning the bolt. What I found is once you've tensioned the bolt clockwise, use the picking part sort of counterclockwise. Let's see how we get on. I'll have to turn it round a tad. So sort of fair bit of tension and adjusting. So I'm sort of moving to the back, just edging through. It's actually easier in a door. There you go, it's just got it. So that's now picked. I'll show you the levers. So like I say, you're tensioning the bolt clockwise and picking the levers counterclockwise. Get this out. They're actually great bits of kit. Had that for some time. Let's take the helicopter off. Try and reach over the camera. It'll probably all ping out on me. Basically what's inside. See that? So it's got a number 2 stamped on that one. If you can see it, I'm not sure if my camera's auto focusing. And that's sort of, it's like a spacer. spacer just come out of that one. That one's got, I think, a number 1 stamped on it. Another type of spacer. On the third lever, which has a number 2 on it again. I also changed the lock for her inside and told her to keep the keys where she knows she can find them. So that's a 3 lever, non-curtained Mortice lock, single lever picked with an RB 2-in-1 pick. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.